So this is the total energy E. So dt by dt is equal to, if I differentiate this, what I'll get? Just a minute. Before going into the differentiation, I need to convert this x into theta, or this theta into x. Okay, I need to convert. I cannot have the different terms like the linear and the rotary terms. I need to convert this into same type. So what I will do
We
is
can use x is equal to r theta.
So here, just a minute, the PowerPoint has okay. So this is a pulley. And this is a nose.
Yes.
This is a screw.
Yes, yes. All the amount is sold in the contract. We don't know how much we lost.
So here, the total energy is equal to half m h dot square plus half j theta dot square plus half k h square. So now I need to convert this x into theta. So and from basic thing we know that if this is theta and this is r, then this segment will be equal to r theta, that is equal to x. So we know that x is equal to r theta. Therefore, total energy T is equal to 1 by 2 m r square theta dot square.
The screen is not visible,
1
sir.
by 2. Okay, now?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Is it visible? Okay. So T is equal to half m. In place of x dot, I can write r square x dot, theta dot square plus half j theta dot square plus half k r square theta square. So now on differentiating, that is dt by dt, that is equal to half m r square in place of theta dot square.
2 into
What should I write
theta
here?
dot theta double dot, sir. 2 into theta dot
No.
theta double dot.
Okay, plus half j 2 theta dot theta double dot plus half k r square 2 theta theta dot, and that will be equal to 0, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now this 2 will get cancelled, and this theta dot, I can take it outside and I can send it to RHS. So the remaining is m r square theta double dot plus j theta double dot plus k r square theta that is equal to 0, or m r square plus j theta double dot plus k r square theta that is equal to 0. Is this fine? Okay, that is equal to 0. Or theta double dot plus k divided by m r square plus j r square here, okay, into theta that is equal to 0. Therefore, omega n is equal to root of k r square by m r square plus j. Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir. No doubt, sir.
And j is equal to half m r square. Okay, this is an equation. Okay, j is half m r square. Therefore, omega n is equal to root of k r square divided by m r square plus 1 by 2 capital M r square. Here capital M is mass of the pulley. Okay, so I can simplify this. So I can take this 2 as LCM here. So it will become root of 2 kr square divided by 2 mr square plus mr square. So this is the solution. And I can cancel this r square also. So omega n is, therefore omega n is equal to root of 2k by 2m plus m radians per second. This is a solution. Right? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, let's solve one more problem. Again, find out the natural frequency. Find the natural frequency of the given system. Okay. Now this is the spring constant K and mass M, and okay, and this is the center of the pulley. Okay. then by using the energy method, total energy P is equal to kinetic energy of mass plus kinetic energy of pulley plus potential energy of spring. Okay. So what is the kinetic energy of the mass? What is the kinetic energy of the mass?
Half mv square.
So it is
Half into m into x dot square.
x dot square, x1 or x2?
x1 x1 dot square.
It is x1 dot square plus kinetic energy of the pulley. There is only one pulley. So it is half
Into j.
j theta dot. That is theta 1 or theta 2?
Just one theta, no sir.
There is only one theta, so there is no theta 1 or theta 2. Okay, there is only one theta. So the bigger radius pulley and the smaller radius pulley will rotate with the same angular displacement theta. Okay, both will rotate with the same theta. Plus potential energy of the spring is half k x square. So it is k1 or k2? Sorry, x1 or x2?
x2
It is x.
x2
Okay, and we know that x2, this x2 is equal to what? x2 is equal to x is equal to r theta. That is what we have used in the last problem. So here, what should I write?
capital R theta.
Should I write r theta or r theta? Which one?
Capital R theta.
ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ರಿ ಕಂದ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ವಿಕ್ರಮ್ ಮಣಿವಣ್ಣನ್. That is r theta. So x2 is r theta. So spring force is
half r
Kx.
square theta square.
spring force is k x2. That is equal to k r theta.
R square theta square. Sorry, ಇಷ್ಟು. Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is not required for this is not required here. Okay, this is. So therefore P is equal to half m in place of x1. x1 is equal to what? x2 is r theta. x1 is
Small r and theta, sir.
x1 is r theta. Okay. Okay, now half m r square theta dot square plus half j theta dot plus half k in place of x2 r theta, so it is r square theta square. Okay. So on differentiating, it is differentiating with respect to time t, that is dt by dt, that is equal to 0. Therefore, half into m r square into 2 theta double dot plus 1 by 2 j. This is half. This is half square, right? Square ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? We should get a square here. So we say 2 theta dot theta double dot plus half a r square 2 theta dot. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So now here this 2 will get cancelled, 2 cancel and 2 cancel here, and this theta dot and theta dot can be taken out and send it to right hand side. So the remaining is, therefore it is
mr square theta double dot plus j into theta double dot
KR square
kr square theta
theta plus KR square theta is equal to
into theta dot plus kr square theta.
so omega n is equal to root of k r square
R
by
square
m
m
r
square.
square plus j radians per second. This is the solution. Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No. I'll look into the problem and see which we can solve. See, most of the times I use these textbooks. Okay, these are the 2 textbooks which I use, so you can follow these 2, and you can understand the basic concept by looking into the second book. And in the first book, there are so many numerical examples. So you can use the vibrations by VP Singh to solve the problems, and vibrations by GK Brewer to understand the concepts and philosophy behind the mechanical vibration. Okay. Okay, I'll